Next, the Quick Access Toolbar. Looks a little bit different on a Mac, but it's the same thing. It's a list of icons across the top. These are things that you use regularly, and you might want to have handy, because when you're on these different menus here, since I just showed you, they've got this draw function on the Mac. It's pretty neat. You can set up a whole bunch of different pens and highlight the screen. But yeah, when you're on here, these change all over the place. So if you wanted to use a format painter and you got this menu up, I got the format painter here, so I can use that. This one is for tabs, and that one's other references, but I'll show you how to get to that. You click on that little down arrow there and go to more commands. And here's where you get a list of commands. They give you these ones on the left. These are, first of all, these are the ones currently in your Quick Access Toolbar. See, Quick Access Toolbar. Those are the ones currently there. These are the ones that aren't in there, but you might want to add. But the popular ones are, I find it easier to go to all commands, and then you've got an alphabetical sort, and you can go down and add something like, oh, I don't know, let's just say I don't think, since it's there, is the eraser. If you wanted to move that over there, you just basically hit this arrow over there, and it pops over into the bar once you hit save. And there it is, right in the top, the eraser. So what goes in that bar? It's usually pretty narrow or sparse to start off with. It's like save and undo and redo, but you can add other things. I add save as, because I find that useful. The format painter, as I mentioned, this is paste text, paste unformatted text, and I think that's clear all the formatting on whatever. So you go through there, but yeah, just go through that process. Come to here, go to here, and explore and look around and find the things that you think are you use regularly but are frustrated because you can't find. I know it happens because I have people asking me all the time. So I hope that helps. Okay, the settings you made for your Quick Access Toolbar are stored in this file right here, Word Office UI. And it is buried inside of Office, this path here. This is your username. This is the path. You have to, if you haven't already done it, you have to unhide files in Windows Explorer. Hit the settings so hidden files are actually viewable, and then you can see app data in these different folders. But most people don't mess around with that too much. They'll just redo their Quick Access Toolbar and other customizations in each box they go to, because it's on your C drive. That's the only place it goes. So every computer you use, you can't expect your customizations to move with you.